babysit.
Hi, I'm Chelsea and I'm the shift.
Chelsea breaks a lot of rules if I'm honest.
She won't tell my parents because I made her promise.
So we're up past her bedtime writing a song to talk about the things we don't tell her mom.
My bedtime's at 9 p.m.
It is currently 2 a.m.
Sometimes I eat dessert before dinner.
We both know you don't eat dinner.
I text my boyfriend on my iPad.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that.
I told her I was allowed to watch rated R movies.
Which wasn't true, and her parents might sue me.